This is a 1962 Royalite typewriter. It is in excellent condition. Everything works as it should, and it's ready to type. When you put paper in this typewriter, or any typewriter really, it'll be easier if you switch the line advance to 0. So this turns smoothly. And instead of inserting the paper completely vertical, lay it back kind of in line with the paper rest. And after it gets through, release the feed rollers and line up the top and bottom so it's going straight. And you can set the paper bell back on top of the paper to hold it, and you're ready to type. This typewriter is in really good condition. The keys all look great. There's very few nicks on it. There's some on the front, but not much for a typewriter this age. 1962. The plan's in great shape. There are a few scratches on the back, very small ones. It has a new ribbon installed. Everything works as it should, and it's ready to go. The typewriter also comes with its original case, which is a soft case. It's in pretty good shape. It does have some scrapes on the